Hello everyone. My name is Alice. Today you will learn English through different conversations where I meet James. We will practice simple and useful phrases for talking to new people. Watch carefully and listen slowly so you can understand everything easily. Here's a question for you. If you met someone new like James, what would you say first? Write your answer in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you write. So, let's start.
Hi, excuse me, are you Alice?
Yes, that's me.
Hi, I'm James. I just joined the company today.
Oh, welcome, James. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Which department are you in?
I'm in the sales team. My desk is over there.
Oh, I see. I work in marketing. We often work with sales.
That's good to know.
How's your first day going so far?
It's good, but there's a lot to remember.
Yes, the first day can be a bit busy.
Everyone has been kind, though.
That's nice to hear. We have a friendly office.
How long have you worked here?
About 2 years.
Wow, you must know everything about this place.
Maybe not everything, but I know a lot.
Is it always this quiet in the morning?
Usually, yes. People get busier after lunch.
I see. That's good for focusing.
Yes, it helps me get my work done early.
Where do people usually eat lunch?
Some bring food from home, and others go to the cafe across the street.
Is the cafe good?
Yes, they have nice sandwiches and coffee.
Maybe I'll try it today.
You should. Or we can go together sometime.
That would be great. If I have questions about the office, can I ask you?
Of course. Anytime.
Thanks, that makes me feel better.
No problem. It's always good to help a new teammate.
Well, I'll let you get back to work.
Okay, welcome again, James.
Thanks, Alice. See you later.
See you.
Hello. I'm James. I just moved to this area.
Hi, James. I'm Alice. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Are you new to this cafe, or do you come here often?
I'm new here. It's my first time.
Really? It's one of my favorite cafes.
That's good to know. I was looking at the menu. It looks big.
Yes, they have coffee, tea, and small snacks. I usually get a cappuccino.
Cappuccino. That sounds good. I like coffee.
You should try it. It's really nice. Sometimes, yes. I like the quiet mornings.
I see. I might come here more often then. I work at the office across the street.
Oh, that's convenient. I work from home today, so I came here for a change. The chocolate croissant is very good.
I love chocolate. I'll try that too. Coffee helps me wake up.
Me too. I can't start the day without coffee. I like to sit and read a book here.
That sounds nice. I like reading too.
What do you like to read?
Mostly short stories and news articles. You?
I like novels. Today I'm reading a romance story.
Oh, that's interesting. I don't read romance much.
That's okay. Everyone has different tastes.
Maybe we can sit together and have coffee sometime.
Sure, that would be nice.
I'll go get a cappuccino. Do you want one too?
Yes, please. Let's order together.
Maybe next time we can meet here and sit together.
That sounds good. I either go back home or take a short walk.
A walk sounds nice. Maybe I'll do that too.
This cafe is really peaceful in the morning.
Yes, I like the quiet. It's a good start for the day. Well, I think I'll go get our cappuccinos now.
Okay. I'll follow you.
Great. It's really nice meeting you, Alice.
Nice meeting you too, James.
Can I sit here?
Sure, please sit.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's a nice day, isn't it?
Yes, very nice. The sun feels warm.
I like days like this. Not too hot, not too cold.
Yes, it's perfect.
By the way, my name is James.
Hello, James. I'm Alice.
Do you come here often?
Sometimes. Maybe 2 or 3 times a week.
I see. Do you live nearby?
Yes, about 10 minutes from here. And you?
Just 5 minutes away.
That's close.
Yes, I usually come after work.
Oh, what do you do?
I'm a teacher. I teach math at the school near the library.
That's nice. My house is near the library.
Really? We are almost neighbors then.
Maybe.
And you? What do you do?
I'm a student.
That's good. What do you study?
English.
Really? Your English is very good.
Thank you. I'm still learning.
Well, you speak clearly.
Thanks. Sometimes I make mistakes.
Everyone makes mistakes. It's part of learning.
Do you come to the park every day?
Not every day. Maybe 3 times a week. Sometimes I come on weekends to read.
Oh, what do you read?
Mostly history books. And you?
I like novels. Today I'm reading a romance story.
That sounds interesting.
Do you sit here often?
Yes, I like this bench. You can see the flowers from here.
Yes, they are beautiful. I like the yellow ones.
I like the white ones.
Okay, I should go now.
All right, it was nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too.
See you next time.
See you.
Hi, is this seat taken?
No, it's free. Please sit.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
By the way, my name is James.
Nice to meet you, James. I'm Alice.
Nice to meet you too, Alice. Are you a new student here?
Yes, it's my first week.
Oh, same here. Which course are you in?
I'm studying English literature. And you?
I'm studying computer science.
That sounds interesting.
And your course sounds creative. Do you like reading?
Yes, I love reading novels and short stories.
I like reading too, but mostly tech articles. I'm from a small town. I moved here for college. Are you from this city?
Same for me. It's my first time living in this city.
How do you like it so far?
It's busy, but I like the energy.
Have you explored the campus yet?
A little bit. I went to the cafeteria and the library.
The cafeteria is nice. Did you try the coffee there?
Yes, it's good. I like their sandwiches too.
I'll try that next time.
Do you know anyone here yet?
Not really. You're actually the first person I've talked to.
Same here. We can be new friends then.
I'd like that.
Do you have any classes today?
Yes, I have one in the afternoon. And you?
I have a morning class, then I'm free.
Lucky. I have classes until evening.
That sounds busy.
It is, but I like learning new things.
Me too.
Do you want to meet in the library sometime to study?
Sure, that would be nice.
Great. Maybe tomorrow afternoon.
Okay, let's do that.
All right, I need to go to class now.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
See you.